y'all, I have been terrible at getting this canoe out, but obviously I'm in a canoe today at Marsh Creek State Park. Last time I was here, I caught like perch. Got the monster here.
Hi.
And we'll see what we can catch. That's funny. Let's do it again. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish.
Come on, fish.
Come on, fish.
Come on, fish.
Oh, got it.
Oh, whoa.
What kind?
That's so cute.
That's not the type of fish.
I don't know. Wait, I gotta look at it more. Is it a fall fish?
Nope.
Oh.
This is called a yellow perch.
Oh, I should have known that. That's what you were talking about.
Mm-hmm. Not the lip quite
No.
big enough.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Yeah, spilled a little bit on him.
He's a little perch.
Yeah, he's called a yellow perch.
He's cute.
Cute little guy.
Yeah.
All right, little friend.
Bye. Have a good life.
There he goes. Oh, that sounds like there's somebody catching a fish. And I was like, never mind. I thought it was a fish jumping, but it wasn't.
Oh.
Cool.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day.
What did I say? How many did I say we were going to catch? 25?
Did you say 25?
Yeah.
Oh, that guy always there. You want to see if there's something over here?
Oh, scared me.
Could be anything.
Oh, that's a dead
Perch.
Jim, is that the fish that we just caught?
Yeah, he swam all the way up there and then started floating down. Same kind, not the same fish though. Our swim off was good. How deep it is here. Got one.
Ooh.
That is?
A fall fish.
No.
Sunfish.
Nope.
Oh. Hold on, I can't see him. Another perch?
Nope.
Oh. Are you sure it's not a fall fish?
It's a crappie.
Oh.
Pretty cool. We're actually crushing it. We've been out for like 3 seconds. Bye, friend. Is that? I think it's a black crappie. Really shiny. Almost looks like a white crappie. I don't know the difference between crappie species. Pablo will comment and tell me. She's 0 for 2 on fish species today. These guys are really stopping right there. I just waited to see where we go. Alright. Uh-oh. Fish.
Going?
Fish.
Oh, you got one.
What kind of fish is that?
Is it a fall fish?
No, it's a
Is it
bluegill.
Crappie? Oh.
Sunny. Three different species.
Cool. That looks just like a fall fish or a sunfish to me.
It is. It's in the sunfish family.
Oh. It's cute.
Perch. Oh, gonzo.
Aw. How many? So I said we were going to catch 25. How many are we at?
Wow, that's a bigger one. Biggest one of the day.
That's a big.
Good.
Yeah.
These are supposed to be great eating.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
God, you need like 20 of them.
Yeah. Ooh. Let's take a look at him. This is the biggest perch I've caught out of here. These guys, everybody on this channel is probably like, that's not even that big. Oh, it's not really that big. So let me go.
Look at the other little guys.
Mm-hmm. It would be great to just catch something on this guy. I would love to catch a bass. Guess what I haven't done?
Caught a bass.
But you know what else though?
What?
We're catching fish. You can't really complain, can you? I guess you could complain, but then that wouldn't be fun.
Why though?
Yeah.
Why? I mean, we're in a creek. I don't know what else.
We're not in a creek.
Wait.
Thank you. Oh, bass just bit!
Are you serious?
I missed it.
I'm over here saying, I don't know
Bass!
Bass.
Bass! Largemouth! On the swim. We were just saying how we haven't I haven't really been using this swim guide too much, but ow, 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 ow.
Did he get you?
Like a zillion times. Bass!
I hate you, bro.
Bass! Bye, bass. That's so funny. Whoa, little flippy! Alright, y'all, we have not been using the bass lures too much. And then I haven't seen any of these bass guys catch anything. Not saying I'm better than them. I just don't know what I'm doing actually. I don't depth find or anything. I just fish shallow. Catch more fish but smaller. It's actually be a cool place to put the GoPro in. Look at the heron.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna sleep good tonight. You're gonna be tired.
Me?
Both of us.
Yeah. I have double spin tomorrow too.
Huh. 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 Oh. Big crappie.
Another.
Oh, ow. In the boot.
In the boat. Oh. Dead in the boat?
No.
No. How long does it take to die?
Okay, it depends on if you keep them wet. Depends on the type of fish. That's a nice crappie.
Yeah.
Not the biggest.
You're a nice rock.
My friend.
Ah.
We're actually doing pretty good. Bet you we catch a perch here.
Yeah.
Can you straighten us out a little bit? Oh!
Got it.
The bet was wrong! Crappie. My friend. Killing it. All right, y'all, so we've been out here for an hour. We'll probably call it like, I don't know, if I had to guess, maybe 10 yellow perch, 5 bluegill, handful of crappie, 1 largemouth. But mostly been using that Trout Magnet. So a couple times I used a swim bait. I think I did get some bites, but they might have just been crappie. That's my guess. But yeah, we having a good time. It's only been about an hour. So we'll see. Going forward, I'm probably just gonna include some key catches or anything that may be a little bigger than normal, because we are just catching a bunch of small things. That's what I get into. I get bored easy. The fish know. They like to play games with people.
She knows.
I know she knows. I missed one. It's great when you miss a fish. It just feels like the world's ending. Got it. Green sunfish. 5 species on the day. Bluegill, largemouth, crappie, perch, green, sunfish. Oh man, I keep dropping them in the boat. Sorry.
Oh man.
Up, bud.
I hear him flopping around. Oh!
That, oh, there we go. Pumpkin seed, hon. Look.
Cool.
Cool. See you later, bud. A green, maybe? Pumpkin seed green hybrid, potentially? That's how we caught the big one, though. Like, all the little ones started feeding, and then, like, a big one just came out and was like, bloop, I want to play. And I was like, dude, you can play.
Dude, welcome.
Oh, party, homie.
Welcome to the party.
There's a fish. What is it? Crappie. No, no, wait. A largemouth. We're catching the bass.
Nice.
Trout Magnet come through big today.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with y'all, like most people we talk to ain't catching bass. Not a monster, but he is what he is.
A bass.
My friend. Just like circle and they keep pull, attack, pull, attack, pull. Fish. Is that another bass?
It is.
Crushing the largies.
Wow.
Good job knowing it was a bass. How'd you know it was a bass?
Because I can see it.
Oh.
It looks different than the other one. It's bigger.
Not by much, but yes, nice. All right, y'all, not a bad day. It's a multi-species fishing, but the monster's hungry. So we didn't catch any monsters, but we are gonna head out and head to a brewery. See y'all.